What's up? Yeah, so how y'all doing today out there? Yeah, so hope all is well. So basically we're gonna get down to the point. We're gonna get down right to the point. So what we looking at here right here, we're looking at the Coinbase platform. It is a platform where you trade crypto and stocks. It's an easy platform to maneuver as well. Like you can see, make crypto taxes easy. So right off, you got taxes. You always gonna have to pay taxes on any of your earnings that you make in America. So always keep that in hand, but don't let it discourage you. Taxes is just a part of the cycle. You know what I'm saying? It actually taxes is a good thing to pay. So yeah, say file with TurboTax and save 10%. You don't have to file taxes through here. You can it'll also be able to you can load it right into to whatever tax service you use, so it's not a big deal on taxes. So what we looking at here, we you basically see the home tab, your balance, how much you down for the day. Right here on your cash USDA, you earn 4.07%. Basically like a bank account. I ain't really. It's This is a test account, so it really ain't. Then we made lifetime earnings $1.18. It's instant liquidity. Get a USDAC loan by using your crypto as collateral, so you can borrow, but just be careful and always pay close attention to your borrowing so you don't get liquidated. But most likely, if you keep cash in your account, then you should be all right. So Coinbase Advanced, right here, you can click this button and it'll be a different setup where you can buy, sell, and trade spread. So on these spreads, it is. I don't think it'll let me do it because I just see one. Yeah, ain't gonna let us do it. But anyway, like right here, if you scroll all the way down, you can get some good entry points. If you can see, like if you want to buy right here, you see the price. Uh, you got two different prices. This orange line right here, I think yeah, I don't know. It's the RSI or whatever, and it's two different prices. Like the orange line is 68,793, and it's still moving. It's like a moving average, and then you got this blue line right here, which is this blue indicator, 68,452, and then this red bar is actually the current price. It should be right around 6,800, 68,000, and then you got this last price of it, so it's a bunch of prices. So right here, you go all the way down, you can see it's trading around $20 less than this last price right here. So to get a better entry, you would just go all the way down, like we starting in the middle of the spread, sales, and then buys. Basically, green is buy, sell is red. These can be sell pressure, buy pressure, and you can get a lot of clarity out of this too. So up here, you can scroll up here all the way to the sale price. The last one you can go to 68,512. You got about 1 to 2 Bitcoin transactions right there with a sum of about 100 and some thousand. You can just keep going down there to show you. Sometime it'll be more sales than buys. So right here they actually buying about the same. One or two coins. But you can get better entry points and better sell points on this as well. And you pay lesser fees in Coinbase Advance. And you can see the chart with the indicators. So we'll look at the 1 day chart. I think it's 1 day chart. Okay, so this is 6 months, the last 6 months. So it's really just candle momentum. And as you can see right down here, the RSI, this is an indicator where it's just like the strengths. I'm still learning how to do this. So I basically when it hit right here back in November, it was down at the top left hand corner up there right here. See, you hover over this candle right here, it'll tell you everything for this. I think this day, yeah, this day, November 21st. So it'll tell you when it opened. It opened at $90,000, $836.35. And it means the low, that L, that means the lowest that it hit within that candle. This is a candle. This is a daily candle. Everything that Bitcoin did in this day, in this candle. So at the top of this candle, like right here, that's where it opened at $90,836.35. And then when it say low, all the way down here at the bottom of this wick right here, you see it right there, it went to $80,524.65. All within that 1 day, which is a daily candle on the 21st. And it closed at the bottom where the fat part is. Like the wick is a skinny part at the bottom of the last where a full candle, the width of it. That's $84,888.33. That's where it closed at for that day. So you just reading candles. It's all of that's what these is. This is candles. This is every day. That's what this was a big day because it dropped down $4,385.55, which was a 4.91% decrease. And that's basically just the market. Stocks as well. These candles just go up and down every single day. Every single day the market is up, which is crypto. This is every day. Crypto 24 hours. So like once like people that really get into it, try to read charts, this is what they look at. This is like the monthly, the 6 month chart. But in stocks, candles is what you would be playing. That's what they play. They looking at options going up and down. So I'll show you. So let me see if I can. So like right here, you can see it's moving. This crypto is trading every. Come on. Yeah, like the price of this candle, right? This is the you see, yeah, this is the 1 minute candle. You know what I'm saying? And right here, this is how you change the minutes of the candle movement. So like this is a 5 minute candle. So every 5 minutes, a new candle forms, or every 1 minute, a new candle forms. Like this is a good indicator to watch how these candles. These are moving candles. It's moving from 668,445,000, 445, 43. It ain't really the 68 ain't gonna move, but it's moving within uh, anywhere from $1 to $2 to $3 to $4 every minute, just up and down. You know what I'm saying? Like, cause it's really it ain't really too much pressure right now. Like, you see how this candle busted up in the green? Like, it means it's a momentum candle. Green candle is positive, is going up. Red is going down, or it is above the opening price of the candle. So that's what it means when it's green. So right now, this 1 minute candle opened at $68,442.37, and it's higher than that price currently right now, which is 68,500. 11, 20. You're looking up here at the right, at the left top hand. When you hover over the candle, those numbers up there, it's tracking that candle that we hovering on. Just movements. That's live action market movements, and it's moving up 1 minute though. So as we speaking, which is February 15th, 2026. And as of last price, 24 hours, Bitcoin is down 1%, 1.64%. Coinbase Advance, you get better fee entry points when you buy it from here. So like here, like I think I was paying like 3 to 6 cents per trend. It was small transactions. So that's we just been buying a little bit of them. It's a test account. And then at the bottom of the watch list, this is my watch list. It's just some skeptical plays. But the big dogs, Ethereum right now is down 6%. $1,955.65. Then they got this new one, Zcash, ZEC. That was a good one. That dropped all the way to 200, probably about a couple days ago. It's very volatile. It went all the way up to 700. So this would be like a good one, just to buy one or so, just to put it up. That's basically what you're doing. You just turning money into money over time once it appreciates, basically. And then, like, if you really want to look at patterns, then you can go out the 1 hour chart. So it's trading within the zone of the Bollinger Band indicator. That's what these things is in between these two moving averages. And then it's the relative strength RSI indicator. Whenever it's up here, then that mean it was spiking up. It was moving up. The trend was a uptrend. And then as you can see, the red when it's in a downtrend, the RSI indicator. So once you get good at reading these, you can kind of have insight on how to maneuver through trading. So right now my little position down about 83 dollars for the day. Well, for the day I'm down about $11, 1%. For the average entry, this is some small. So we're gonna get out of Coinbase events. We're gonna go to regular coins. So we're gonna look at Ethereum, like right here staking. So when you buy Ethereum, it'll show you how much Ethereum you got, and then you can just push stake or unstake. You considered CBET? That's like a different type of coin. Like with CBETH, your stake ETH keeps earning rewards, and you still can sell or trade anytime. No lockups, no way. So I think when you stake ETH, like you can wrap ETH, or you can get this coin right here, and you still can use the ETH that you stake. It's some type of sophisticated way that I think that they can do it. But yeah, this is how you would stake Ethereum, and then right here your transaction monthly. So I got like a small. I still got like some cents in there staking. You know what I'm saying? It ain't really doing it. But this is an example to kind of show you still how often you get. You know what I'm saying? You make money. So in February, I got Ethereum awards. I got it February 6th, February 9th, February 12th, February 15th. So these each day you get paid from staking Ethereum. So like it's the validators just work, and it's basically however much money that you have or however many Ethereum coins you have. So the more Ethereum coins you got, the more earnings you're gonna get, and it's compounded on top of Ethereum. So the more Ethereum that you're accumulating from staking rewards, the higher it's gonna be whenever the price of Ethereum appreciates. So that's how this Ethereum awards work. So yeah, Coinbase is pretty. Some of my little skeptical plays in the watch list. Like I'm really only choosing a few plays unless you just got some cash in there, you just willing to gamble, and you gonna execute, and you gonna just you kind of waiting on just any type of green percentage gain and sell. So we got Cardano, which you can earn rewards on Cardano as well. So these little plays right here, you can get some skin in the game. 1,000 coins. So 1,000 times. So that's it's small. $280. You know what I'm saying? You can be across the board. 1,000 coins, 15 coins. You put you gonna bet 500. That's how you gotta say, like, if I'm playing a poker hand, or poker hands might be 200, 300, depends on how you play it. And these is the same way, but you necessarily ain't gotta get your poker hand up or your blackjack hand up right instantly. Like I can hold for weeks, months, years, until it form, until it don't form. You know what I'm saying? So you got an opportunity. So 1,000 coins right now, Cardano, 28 cents, $280. Always understand that none of this stuff is really financial advice at all. It's just uh, things that we identify in the market as we maneuver the markets, we watch investing. You know what I'm saying? So all entertainment purposes, just kind of sharing with you insight of the market, but none of it's financial advice, because really all this stuff could go to zero at the end of the day. None of it is protected. I mean, it's for the most part, it's people's been in it for years. It's not really went nowhere. Legitimate for the most part, So that's how it is. But none of it is financial advice, so don't take it like that. But yeah, opportunities. We have seen many opportunities with all these majority of these crypto plays. Some of them are new. We have seen Bitcoin go to 120,000, Cardano $2 or $3, Ethereum $3 or $4,000. So they just up and down like swings of crypto. That market is a live market, is up and down. Bear markets, bull markets, which means that sometimes it's down. It what you call it extra down. Sometimes it's extra up. So it's small down, small gains, small wins. Dogecoin, and all of these is just like, you just look at them as like casino slot machines. You just look at it in that type of simplicity. So you got a slot machine right here. You sit down at it, and you stick your money in it, and you press the button. Okay, so this right here is Bitcoin. It's a slot machine that you can put your money into it, and you can take it out at a gain or a loss. But you don't have to do it in that instant as of sitting down at a slot machine or a bingo hall or something like that. Because you can buy Bitcoin, you can get up, turn your phone off, turn your computer off, and go to sleep. And it'll still be moving just like this. Like these numbers move, change every time. You know what I'm saying? Slow now, but yeah, like, because it's a live market, means people are trading this coin, buying or selling. So Cardano, another game or another cryptocurrency bingo card or slot machine that you can buy and sell in. And this right here has an average price. And then if we click on Cardano, you have the opportunity to stake this as well. So you will be earning 1.5% APY compounding. So every time, I think this is a monthly stake. So you get paid monthly with this. I believe so, yeah. Or it looks like I got paid a few times, May 10th, May 20th, every week. So it looks like, you know what I'm saying? So it's rewards. It's rewards with this. So just imagine if you had this in your LLC working, as you working, this is working. You know what I'm saying? You gaining rewards off the money that's earned. So the money is earning money, the money is earning money, and it has the opportunity to make more money. So that's why some of these opportunities in Coinbase give you good opportunities. Decentralized, man. This was a platform like in the metaverse or something. It crashed hard. Most of these plays people have lost money in, to be honest, because they're buying at wrong times and stuff like that. Dogecoin, like right now, it's all red, so it looks like a good opportunity, but you never know. And then I added right here too. I added some stocks in this watch list, so you can buy stocks right here on Coinbase as well. So you really ain't got to go nowhere, to be honest. But they always say you really can't go to a physical Coinbase location. So you know that's why most people say they trade stocks and brokerage accounts and stuff like that. Some of them they trade crypto. You can't really trade brokerage accounts with crypto, but that's just something to keep in mind. But you can buy stocks on it, and they are protected. So I would say if you buy stocks on here, they will be protected if anything was happen to the base platform. Yeah, but you know what I'm saying. This is not telling you to buy, hold, or sell. It's just sharing information, entertainment information with you guys about the stock market and crypto, navigating through Coinbase. And we will have more videos coming up to help you navigate through these websites, these brokerage accounts, and figure out how to retain some of this cash, these millions and billions and trillions of dollars that's turning around in these markets, man. So you folks have a good day and keep your head up. Peace.